welcome back. Look at what I found. Now, I found this at Dollar Tree, which for our American viewers is similar to Five Below. This is a, ready? Mega Blocks, also known as Mega Construct, Barbie Color Reveal building playset called Beach Splash. So you can build the little set and then you color reveal the doll. Now, I don't know why, or minifigure, sorry. I don't know why it's color reveal if they're showing us exactly who we get, unless we can get a different Barbie minifigure. But I mean, she looks the same on this side too. And it is Mattel, so this is authentic. And guys, this was only $5. So now, again, imagine you're having a Barbie-themed birthday party. How amazing would it be to give each child that came one of these? They can build it, it's color change, and it's Barbie, and it is super affordable. There is only one way to actually see what we're getting. Let's open it. Okay, I am so excited for this. I did see these when I went to Toys R Us afterwards. They were not $5 at Toys R Us. And I don't know if Toys R Us has reopened in the US. I know there was talks of it, so let me know. Has Toys R Us reopened? There's a lot of tape. Is there more to it? Am I opening this wrong? Oh, I am never good at opening packages. Holy with the tape! Oh my goodness! Okay, that's it. This is not an easy box to get into, everybody. This is hard. Yeah, not a good review so far on the packaging. So there's our little Lego bits, or our Mega Construct bits. And here is the little manual. Oh my gosh, guys. So it shows you how to build it. Mega Unboxed, build and share. And then, oh, here's the color reveal. And then it's showing you step by step by step, how to build this. So let's get this. Let's get all of our Lego bits out, or our Mega Blocks bits out. I'm sorry. And then in here, this is the base that you build it on. Oh, that is cute. And it's these are these are the color reveals. Okay, this is making sense. So you could build your beach thing either flat, or you could put it on here and store the little bit. Oh my goodness. This is great. So you have storage, or you could build your little set on top. So let's start with, look, I was prepared today, water. And while we build this little set to see how easy it is, we can let these these are plastic. That's not good. This should be paper for the environment. Let's get it open. Okay, what do we got? It's looking an awful lot like the packaging. I think I know what character we got and what's in here. Do these color change? These color change. Did it change? I think it's that part. What is this, her crown and her bracelet? I don't know. Let's see if they do anything. I don't know. Oh, now my hands are going to be wet. I mean, I guess it makes maybe the water's not cold enough, because do you see how dark it should look there? Oh, well. Okay. I'm making a mess. Have you ever seen a video with me where I don't make a mess with water? Oh my. Okay. Let's get these things out of here. All right, there. Okay. So they did not do anything. Maybe they change color if the water is a little bit colder. But in the meantime, she looks an awful lot like the picture. I think I know who we're getting. I think I know what we're getting. Do you think we're getting this character here? I think we're getting that character right there. So now it's showing us that this, I'm not good at this. Picture side in. Okay. All right, not bad. And then this little square piece goes, did I do? Step 1, and I've done it wrong. Okay. It goes this way, look. Yeah? No, wait. The heart go, oh my goodness. This way? Like that? No, this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Angle. All right, I think that's right. This goes this way? No, this goes this way. Okay, we're getting this. Good thing this is a small set. I am. Where does this go? Oh, like that. Okay, so all right, I'm getting it. Now, look, so now page 4, we take this piece and it goes here. It goes there. Oh, wait, it goes there. Okay. Oh, there's a big one and a little one. Oh, maybe don't put me in charge of building the Lego. This way, side by side, maybe? Does that look right? It actually does look right. Okay. Then we put the little C shapes on. How's our little color changer going? Did I do this right? I think these guys can just go anywhere, right? Does it really matter where they go? Does it? I don't know. There, what do you think? Does that look like the picture? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, this piece goes this way. All right, okay. And then, I don't know, guys. I do not know. I am not good at building the Lego, apparently. Did I do that right? I don't know. Okay, let's check out our little color changing girl. Oh, I did do this right. Okay. All right, these little, do you know what? Just from a personal review point, not anything for this channel. If you're going to get like Lego Construx, I would say try to get actual Lego brand, because they don't snap together the same way actual Lego does. It doesn't, it's awkward. Do you see? Like, it's a little awkward. Where did the handle clip to? Where in the world did the handle clip to? Where does the handle go? Did I do this wrong? I don't know what I did. Oh, I know what I did. Okay. 1 and 2. Okay. Thank you for waiting for me while I figured out that I'm not very good at building these things. It actually snaps together better now. All right, but then where does, like, that didn't show me where to put the handle. We're missing a whole page. Okay, sure. This goes here. I don't know. I've done this wrong. All right, let's just check out our little color reveal girl. Let's check her out. I can't follow a Lego review or a Lego page. She has taken her sweet. Oh, we have to stir her. So she is not like other. Oh, look at her hair. That's different than the package. Okay. Ooh, they've won me back over. Look at her hair. Do you see the different colors? Look at that. That's cute. Because on the package, it only shows one solid color purple. Ooh, I like that. Oh, and now look, her head comes off, and this thing that was in the water with her, it's her life jacket, and then you pop her head back on. So she is really tiny compared to other Barbie, building Mega Bloks construction sets. But it didn't tell me what the other thing was. Is it a crown? Is it what? Okay, and she can she could stand on the beach. All right, okay. So even though I can't put the Lego together properly, and apparently I'm having issues following instructions, I like this. This is a really, really cool set. I'm giving this a win. Way to go, Barbie. This was a lot of fun. And then you can store your pieces in here and put the lid on into your little water holder. This is a lot of fun. Way to go, win. Win, win, win for Mattel and Barbie on this one. That's it for this week, guys. I'll see you next week, but this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.